Hello everyone, welcome back to another video and Eid Mubarak to you all. So in today's video we are going to be frying offal or organ meat, whichever name you call it. So I am adding seasoning to my offal. I've already washed it properly. I've sliced onions in it, so I'm just adding seasoning and spices to it, and I will let it simmer until it absorbs the water completely before I start frying it. Now I'll go ahead and mix it and then let it simmer. I will be coming back from time to time to stir so that it doesn't stick to the pan. As you can see guys, there's just little water in it, so I will go ahead now and add fat. We call it kisi. I don't know what it is called in English, so I'll just call it fat. It's from the meat, so I'll go ahead and add it, and I will fry the offals with it. Instead of using oil, I'll use the fat to fry the offals. So in case you don't know what kisi is, this is how it looks like. You wash it very well, dry it, and then you put it inside your mortar and then pound it very well, and then put it inside your meat. The heat will melt it. After you're done frying with it, then you just let it cool down and then store it in an airtight container, and then it will solidify. The benefit of this kisi is that you can store your meat in it and it won't go bad, and you can also use it as oil in your cookings and your food will taste amazing. So as you can see, my offal is almost done, and that is basically it guys. It's not really that hard. So we've come to the end of today's video. If you really enjoy watching this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.